Okay. In the outcome, we have the Six of Wands, a victory card. People will celebrate you. People will reward you. They will see your hard work. Kung sa trabaho ito, people will mag-promotion. Kung sa school to, higher grades. Kung sa love life ito, you will be meeting the person na minamanifest mo. If it is I'm seeing proposals granted, proposals with your loved ones. I'm seeing you having the things that you manifest and your ramdam ko yung happiness dito. Yung mga nasa Seven of Pentacles na gusto mong magbunga, magbubunga siya. You'll have the victory on it. So, let's clarify that. The victory card, Six of Wands, is being clarified by the Temperance. Yeah, you are being supported and guided by Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Michael. Temperance is about you turning bad things